Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to multiply and divide integers. Now when multiplying and dividing integers, there's only a couple things you have to remember. It's really just dependent on the sign of the integers you are multiplying and dividing. So if the signs are the same, then the answer is going to be positive, and if the signs are different, then the answer is going to be negative. We can see that a little bit in more detail in these examples, so let's try them out. In number 1, we have -3 times 9. So what I like to do when I multiply and divide integers is I just do the problem as if both numbers are positive to start off with, and then I worry about the sign at the end. So we would do this one as 3 times 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. So we write 27. And because we notice that the signs of our original numbers are different, -3 is negative and 9 is positive, that means our rule different signs equals a negative answer. So it's going to be -27, and that's our answer. So number 2, we have -5 times a -7. So again, I would do this as if both of our numbers are positive to start. So 5 times 7, that would equal 35. And then we look at the signs of our original numbers, and we have a -5 and a -7. So those are the same. So same signs means a positive answer. So our answer stays positive as 35. So again, when I say same signs and different signs of our original numbers, that would be same signs would be a positive times a positive, or a negative times a negative, and different signs would be a positive times a negative, or a negative times a positive, right? So let's go ahead and try numbers 3 and 4. These are division. So the same rules apply. Same signs equals positive answer. Different signs equals a negative answer. So we have 36 divided by -6. So again, we're going to do that as if both of our original numbers are positive. So 36 divided by 6 would be 6. Then we go back and look at the signs of the original numbers. So we have a positive 36 and a -6. So that would be different signs. So our answer is going to be negative. So we put a negative sign there, and our answer becomes -6. Number 4, we have a -44 divided by 11. So 44 divided by 11, that equals 4. And we look at the signs of our original numbers. A -44 divided by a positive 11, those signs are different. So our answer is going to be -4. That is our final answer. So we have a couple extra practice problems here. You can feel free to pause the video if you feel confident, try them on your own. Otherwise, you can follow along with me. So number 5, we have -12 times a -3. So again, we do 12 times 3. That's going to be 36. And then we look at the signs of our original numbers. We have a -12 and a -3. So those are the same signs. So that means our answer is going to be positive. So we leave it as a positive 36. That's our final answer. Number 6, we have a 15 times -4. So 15 times 4, that would be 60. Go back and look at the signs of our original numbers. We have a positive 15 and a -4. So different signs equals a negative answer. So we put a negative sign there, -60. That is our answer. Again, as in example 5, we have 2 negative numbers. That would be same signs. So that's going to be negative times a negative, or it'd also be a positive times a positive, and that is always going to equal a positive answer. And number 6, we have different signs. We have a positive times a negative, and we could also have a negative times a positive, and that will always give us a negative answer. So let's try number 7. We have -56 divided by -8. So 56 divided by 8, that's going to be 7. We look at the signs of our original numbers, a -56 and a -8. Those are the same, so our answer is going to be positive. So we leave that as a positive 7, and that is our final answer. For number 8, we have 100 divided by -20. So 100 divided by 20 is going to be 5. We look at the signs of our original numbers, a positive 100 and a negative 20. Those are different, so our answer we know is going to be negative. So we make that a negative, and our answer is negative 5. So hopefully after going through those examples, you have a better understanding of how to multiply and divide integers. Again, really you just have to remember the two rules. If the signs of the original numbers are the same, your answer is going to be positive, and if the signs are different, the answer is going to be negative. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.